Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford Focus ST. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. These are the RECARO racing seats. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera and dual point exhaust on the back. A look in the hatch. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate controls and dual heated seats, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.